What is going on today, guys? What is going on today, guys? This is Holtman from the Holtman channel, and we are here at Guelph Lake Conservation Area to do a little overnight camping. And I'd say since the gas prices are so expensive right now, this isn't a bad bet. It literally cost us $2 to drive here, which is a far cry from some of the other campgrounds you might be going to. It's a gorgeous day here at Guelph Lake. It's about 25 degrees. It's middle of May. I don't think the bugs are out yet, but we'll see. And as you can see, we got one of the Lakeview sites, and we're gonna stay one night and see how things go. Okay, sun is beating down. It's very hot here, so it looks like it's time to set up. So here we got the we're sporting the old Coleman. It's the Coleman darkroom technology, or they call it the Coleman Carlsbad tent. So let's go check this thing out here. We just bought it about a year ago, and it's okay, except for maybe this foyer is a little bit awkward when it rains. So you'll find that out for yourself when a big flood comes through during a thunderstorm. So let's check this out. So here's the dark room, as you can see. So here we go. We're into the front foyer area. There's our little cart for the cats. Oh, and here's little Kasha, absorbing all the smells. Wow, look at that. Hey Kasha, what's going on, buddy? The Coleman Carlsbad tent. It's the darkroom technology. I'm not sure if it works very well. We haven't really tried it out yet. It's always raining when we're camping, but maybe we'll get lucky this weekend. Not too hot, but it is getting up there. So we wanted to just test these guys out here, these cats, and see how they like camping. So this is the perfect place to do it. It's nice and close, so if they get spooked, we can just take them right home. So I think the biggest thing we got to worry about here with these guys is ticks. We do not want these guys to get any ticks, and we do not want ourselves to get any ticks. So we're going to keep them nice and safe. And when we get home, we'll do a thorough check as much as we can under all his hair. Right, Kesha? And just in case, as you can see, we got a little air tag on our little girl here. So in case she does take off, we have a good chance of finding her. So last thing you want to do is go camping and have your animal go missing, and you have to go home without him. So here's Misha enjoying some grass. We just opened up her little enclosure here just for a minute, just so she could chew on some grass. So it looks like we finally got these guys settled in here a little bit, especially the little one. So let's go take a look and see what they're up to. So as you can see, they're nice and relaxed here.
Kasha, sit.
Just gonna go get some water. Right by the lake. So we're just walking the trail here. We're gonna find our water spot. Just gonna fill this jug up here. It's one of these portable jugs. I don't know why nobody's camping here. It appears they've closed all these sites off. I don't know why. but they must have a reason. Just cruising down here. Ah, here we go. Water. In between campgrounds, that's kind of weird. It's hard to believe nobody's camping here. It's really nice and peaceful. We just got this whole area to ourselves. I don't know if it's going to be like this all summer. Better get here early. So guys, really hot today. It's about 27 degrees out here in mid-May and looking like another hot summer. So we're going to enjoy this. It's called Royal City Exhibition IPA. It's a local brewery in Guelph here. And we're gonna see how this stuff tastes. Although I have had some before, so I can say it's not that bad. Our little cat got a little excited there a little while ago, so we're gonna calm her down and just get her in the car here in a little bit of cool. Right, Kasha? So yeah, she's chilling out right now in the car. We're gonna have the air conditioning on for a bit and just make sure she stays cool. I think she's just a little bit overwhelmed on all the excitement out here. It's quite common for a little kitty cat. So yeah, we're gonna get a fire going here, and I don't know, I usually bring some of my own wood just in case. It's nice and dry. I can get it going real easy. Sometimes the Ontario Provincial Park woods, or sometimes the Ontario Provincial Park wood isn't that good. It tends to be really wet and it doesn't burn well. They should actually take over all the forests in the region, or maybe in the world, because then there would be no more forest fires, because these forests would not burn with the wood that they use. So anyways, we're gonna set up the fire here. So I got some dry kindling here, and we're just gonna throw all this stuff on with a fire starter. So that's our fire pit for tonight, and we're gonna be cooking some plant-based steaks from Yamchops. So we're gonna see how these guys taste. But first we have to get the fire going. We're gonna use some of this stuff anyways. It's extra flame fire starter. Not a big fan of it, but we'll try it out, see how it works. Now we're getting some action. Okay, we're gonna try this campground wood out. I got the old trusty pink knife. All right, we're gonna add some fuel to the fire and get some nice coals going for our steak. So we're just going to do a little zucchini here, just on the side. Slice these up. So we're going to try some plant-based steaks here. Did I already mention they were from a place called Yamchops? So we get these from a place called Vegan Wholesale. We save a bit of money because we buy them in bulk. So they're about $7.50 a steak, which, you know, is kind of expensive, but it's not that bad considering It's still cheaper than a crappy fast food meal. So here we go. We're gonna cook these guys. And try not to burn them because they're really expensive. Just add a little fuel to the fire. Okay, time to get this off before it burns. Oh, wow. Let's get this right. Nope. Again. Yep, that'll work. So it's about 5 in the morning here. The cat thing did not exactly work out. They had to be taken back in the middle of the night. They were just too restless in the tent. So we're doing a quick pack up here. We forgot the air for our air mattress, so it wasn't the most comfortable sleep. And now we're gonna get out of here. So thanks for checking in. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you next time. Take it easy.